of these two, right? 38 minus 5 into 7. This is what the example is. Okay. So we'll use the same logic over here. Total cost of shirts is what? 4x square plus 3 into x plus 5. Solve this. 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15, right? Means how do we solve this? 4x square plus 3 into x plus 5. So 4x square into x plus 5 plus 3 into x plus 5. Solve this. You get 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15. This is the total cost of shirts. Okay. And how much money did Raghav have? 6x cube plus 2x square plus 3x. Okay. So he had this much, means in our earlier example 38 rupees and cost was 35. So how do we find the remaining? This minus this, 38 minus 35. Similarly over here 6x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 0. Why 0? Because we have to subtract this the money which here, the total cost of shirts from money, plus 0 minus what? This 4x cube plus 20x square plus 3x plus 15. Do minus, you get 2x cube here minus 18x square and 3x gone minus 15. So what is the money left with him? 2x cube minus 18x square minus 15. This much is the money left with Raghav. Okay, that is the answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These squares, tables and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.